Hello guys, let's start with the configuration of the wireless router. For this I have created one topology in which I have two PC, I have two laptop and one wireless router. For this first I removed the uh, LAN connection of laptop and place it with wireless connectivity. Same for both laptop. Then if we want to access the configuration setting of router, we can change it by going into the GUI section of the router. But normally we access the wireless router from our laptop, so that go to the laptop and go to the web browser. So the default IP address of the router is 192.168.0.1. It will access the router configuration. For this, username and password is admin. It is the default for the router. We can change it by going to the configuration settings of the router. Here the configuration settings of the router. In setup, we can give the host name, domain name, the default IP address of the router 192.168.0.1, and we can change subnet mask from here. Here also we can make the DHCP reservation for the respective respective laptop. Now here our one network having 50 maximum number of users and range starts from 100 to 149. Now go to the physical config desktop. Here PC wireless. We can connect with the router. Here we didn't created any network. Then here is no network available. First of all, create one network. In wireless, we can change our SSID. I have given the CN lab. Next, in security, I want to give a password to my wireless router, so that for the security mode, enable it as a WPA personal. And here is a passphrase. Like our mobile hotspot, we can give password to our wireless router, so that only required user can connect to that router. XCN. After that, save settings. Now in security. We want to connect the LAN. We want to connect the PC to the CN LAN. Here is the network. We want to connect. Here pre-shared key asks for that we set CN lab 123 and then connect. It will connect successfully. Here we make the DHCP configuration. So the IP address for the laptop is 192.168.0.100, and same for this laptop also. 101. For this, now I want to check it is connected successfully or not. Go to the command prompt. For checking that laptops are connected to the wireless router or not, ping the IP address of the router, then ping IP address of the laptop, that is 192.168.0.100 and 192.168.0.101. It is connected successfully. From this configuration, we can change the administration setting also, router password and confirm password. We can change our router password from here. In setup, we can assign host name, domain name to our router, and we can set the maximum transmission unit of our router. We can also change subnet mask, and here DHCP reservation, we can make DHCP reservation for particular respective laptop. Thank you.